Let's make a steak sandwich. So I already kind of cooked this steak. I'm gonna reverse sear it to get a nice crust on it. Avocado oil. I've been low carbing all week. I deserve this fat ass sandwich. I'm gonna toast this in the same skillet. You gotta get the fat cap. Beautiful. That is beautiful. Basting it. I wouldn't normally cut into the middle of my steak, but because I'm making a sandwich, I want the wider pieces. And there's the cook. Let me tell you something. This has been sitting in my fridge covered in kosher salt, dry aging for 3 days, and it was fucking worth it. I forgot to cook my onions. That was salt and sugar. I'm not looking to caramelize them, I just want to get them softened. And this is why I don't do cooking competition shows. I'd be all over the place. Okay, let's build this sandwich. Oh my God, the egg yolk. She just squirted all over the place. Oh, bottoms up. Oh my God. It's so messy. It's delicious. That meat is so tender. Adding the fries was a last minute thought, but I'm glad I did it. Unbig my back, 'cause I'm eating again.